Okay, open your 3ds Max 2015 and let's work on the front view. Right click in here and press Alt W to expand this viewport and navigate over here. And make sure that you are in the Create tab, and under Create tab, let's go to Shapes and choose Line. And make sure that you put the first control points right at the center of this grid. So I'm gonna click over here. Okay, and press shift key on your keyboard so that we can create a straight line. Click, release the shift key, click, hold the shift key once more, release the shift key, and click and click. And if you are done, right click and right click once more to exit the creation process for this line object, and go to hierarchy tab and activate affect pivot point. And we want to move its pivot point right at the center of this grid line using this move tool. Drag over the x-axis, or under its transform type in dialog in x-axis, just give it a value of 0. Okay, and turn off this one, and let's further edit its control points under modifier tab and expand this line and activate its vertex mode, or you can also press this button. It has the same function as these objects in here. Okay, so select these vertices and make sure that these vertex are placed right at the center of this grid line. Okay, and zoom out. Okay, and make sure that you have an exact number of these vertices: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and further edit your control points. And now if you are satisfied with this shape, select these vertices and right click and convert it into a smooth. Once more, right click and choose Bezier corner, and it's gonna give us additional handles that we can use to further manipulate each vertices. Select this one and rotate, move. Okay, select this one, rotate, select this and rotate. Okay, rotate, rotate, move. Okay, and this one, rotate. Okay, and if you are satisfied with the shape of this line, activate the spline mode so that we can select the entire spline. And with this object selected, under spline mode, we have here a outline button. Click that one and try dragging over our selected spline and give it a thickness somewhat like this, and release your mouse button. Deactivate this outline button and go to segment mode so that we can select individual segments and delete that one. Go back to vertex, select this vertex and delete that one. And I'm gonna move these vertices over here. Okay, so with this vertex selected, right click and smooth, and one more, right click and Bezier corner, and gonna fix its handles just as this one. Okay, right, select these vertices, and under vertex mode we have here a fillet button. Try dragging over selected vertices, drag those vertices and exit fillet, exit our editing in here and go to perspective view. Press letter P, press letter G to hide the grid line, and I'm gonna apply one more vertices for this one. Under modifier list, let's apply Lathe modifier and press F3, and let's check if everything goes okay in here. And I'm gonna change it into a gray color so that we can see clearly what's happening in here. And make sure that you check the weld core. Okay, and it gonna fix those surface in here. And if you see some holes happening around here, just go on to Lathe, expand this Lathe, and check activate this axis and try moving its axis towards x-axis, and try dragging it a little until those holes won't show up anymore. Okay, and let's give a segments of around 50, and it will turn our surface much smoother. And select, and you may see that some unnecessary lines are going around on its surface. Okay, so just like this one. And to remove that, select our object and apply one more modifier, smooth modifier, and check its smooth auto smooth, and deselect. And that's it, we are done creating the mug for our object. And the next thing we need to do is create the handle just beside of this object. Okay,